Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush, and this is their Pink Bath Bomb. It's very shimmery, as you can see. And this one was a very fast fizzer. It seemed to dissolve interestingly as well. It was pink on the outside, but then it had like a greenish, grayish color in the inside. And that centerpiece is what really seemed to dissolve very quickly, as you'll see here in a moment. The fragrance notes for this one is lavender, sweet vanilla absolute, and neroli. So this one smelled really good, just like all of their bath bombs do. And this is 7 ounces, and it costs $9.25. And I think this is still available online. I bought this back a couple months ago. Here's what it looks like so far. And then this next clip, you can really see that center dissolving, whereas the rest of the bath bomb, the top and the bottom, is very slowly dissolving. It almost looked like an apple core in the water. And I haven't ordered for a while anything from Lush, but I do need to go online and see if they have any more bath bombs or any new bath bombs. If there's anything you want to see a demo of, make sure you leave me a comment below. I do have a Lush playlist as well in case you want to see other demos. But here's what it looked like at this point. Definitely looks like an apple core. So I returned it to the tub for several more minutes. And here's what the bath water looked like. And again, went to check on it because it wasn't really doing anything and there's hardly any left. It kind of looks like a mushroom. So it was interesting the way this dissolved. Thought that was pretty cool. But the water is a soft pink color. And that is what I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Bye guys.